Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Delilah if you're new, and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up boo? In today's video I am going to be showing you guys the best synthetic wig on Amazon. This is a headband wig and it is the best I have ever seen. So you guys, as you can tell already, this is so beautiful. I am going to be doing an unboxing and showing you guys exactly how I got this slay. So without further ado, just keep on watching. So guys, this is the hair. This is like an unboxing, so I never seen it before. This is fresh out the box. Ooh, already I like. Pink is my favorite color. Okay. So the company comes with a hair bag. I love it already. It's pink. It says hair and it says virgin hair, lace wig, ombre wig. I guess they say all the hairs they have, and they even have synthetic lace wig. And today I am doing a synthetic hair. They sell crochet braids, they sell hair accessories and all that jazz on their website, you guys. Don't forget to visit that description box and go visit them. They're not no regular company, okay? The bag for itself speaks quality, and I love that. Could just throw the wig right back in there. And guys, this is the hair. Oh my god, it feels good already. Ooh, this is the headband wig, and it comes with a wig cap. Love that it comes with a beige wig cap and not like a dark one. It comes with a headband. Of course, your headband wigs must come with headbands, so you can purchase more on their website. And you know me, I like a little simplicity, so it did come with one headband. Oh, I thought this was two. Oh, but this is so cute. It's like a crisscross headband. It's giving aesthetics. Let's take a look at the wig. The wig alone is just giving natural. This is the hair. This is a Yaki straight synthetic glueless headband wig. Obviously it can't be glued, but you can do so many styles with a headband wig. This, I love this because it's 22 inches and it's Yaki. I cannot wait to put some flexi rods on this and just have it looking like really kinky and just nice, y'all. Let's take a look at the inside. It comes with a Velcro strap to strap around your hair. Y'all, do y'all see that texture? I love that. And then it comes with some clips on the sides and in the middle and in the back, so that your headband wig is nicely secured on your head, and if anyone's snug and pull, it ain't coming off, sis. I am absolutely in love with this wig right now. It is very lightweight and it looks so full. Like, you can't lie, this wig looks so full and it's not heavy. I can't wait to put it on my head. So I'm not gonna ramble up too much. I'm just gonna put this on my head real quick. Alright y'all, so I just took off my other headband wig and I'm gonna put on this Yaki kinky wig, and I can't wait to see how it actually looks on me because I never had a Yaki texture hair. This is synthetic and I keep thinking it's real hair. Like, this company don't play, okay? Alright, so I love how this looks right now, y'all. This texture is just, it's given. So right now I'm gonna use one of these combs to do my baby hairs. I got this from Walmart. I'm just gonna pull out all of my baby hairs that I would like to show. Alright guys, this is exactly how I like my baby hairs to look. I like it to look a little spunky, a little bit of, you know, hairs going everywhere. I don't like it to be like too neat. I like just literally baby hairs going this way, that way. Just play with it, make it look playful and fun. And I'm about to put this on now. The wig comes with 2 clips on the side, and you want to take those clips and just clip them on both sides, and like make sure your baby hairs is really showing, you know, make sure a little bit of your hairs is showing on the side there. I already clipped this side on, and then I'm gonna take the back and pull it down all the way down so that the top hair can look flat. Since I do have 2 braids in my natural hair, I want the top hair to look flat. So when you pull, the more you stretch it down, the more flatter it looks. So that's a key also when you're wearing your headband wigs. Then you're gonna take these 2 straps here, and you're just gonna wrap it around your head and just attach it to the Velcro like so. Normally I like wearing my black headband like anywhere I go, like if I'm just going to the gym or going out to eat or going to work, wherever I'm going, I just like wearing a black headband because I'm more on the simple side. But when you want to dress up cute, you can use the headbands that the company provides you with, which I'm gonna put on right now so I can show y'all because it is pretty, I'm not gonna lie. All right, you guys, I just attached the Velcros to the back, and once you attach it, you just feel so secure. I love the fact that it comes with a black headband so that it can secure the wig all the way. So I'm gonna try on their pretty little headband that it came with. Yeah. Oh, you can wear it like this too. This is cute. Yeah, there's multiple ways you could wear the headband. You can wear it like this, but I'm just gonna put it all the way and try it this way also. Oh man, let's try not to mess up the baby hairs. Yeah. And you can wear it like this. Yeah. I love this hair so much. I'm really loving this. This headband looks very pretty. It's very girly, very classy. You can do 2 braids. You can style this up as many different styles as you like. So I want to do a separate video on how to style this hair because I can just think of so many different ways you can style these headband wigs. Like you can have it going to the side. You can probably do some braids without the band. I could actually put some box braids in this. Headband wigs are changing the game in the hair community, y'all. I love this so much. I can't wait to do like half up, half down. Just be looking cute, keeping it simple. I love the black band though. Like I love simple headbands, and I also like this because it gives it like a little hump right there to just give it more urban type of look, you know. You guys, this hair is so beautiful and so big. I love it so much. This hair was only $20.99, and you could get it on Amazon Prime. Nothing can beat that. Like when you can find a good synthetic hair and get it the next day, that's the best thing ever. Because say for instance you want to give somebody this hair, you can. Okay, I love doing hair tutorials because I get to show y'all and I get to put y'all on to some fire products like this. The texture is beautiful. You know what else I want to do? I want to do braids and take the braids out so that it could be like big and curly. That would be fire too. Oh my god, I can't wait to do that. Also, this hair takes heat. Okay, this hair takes heat, so you can curl it, you can do whatever you like with it. It has minimum shedding, it has no smell to it at all, and I'm not even lying. And look at the color. I chose the color black 1B because it matched my hair more, but they have multiple colors. Like they have one that is mixed color with like highlights. I probably should have got that one too because that one is fire. You know what, I'm about to order it right now because I could get it tomorrow. And if y'all want to see a video on that too, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also visit the description box below and get your hair. I'm right here on Amazon because that's where I ordered it. I'm gonna show y'all the length. The length is right here, is boob level. I am 5'6", and it only comes up to like right there. Perfect length for a 22-inch. Perfect density, perfect color. It doesn't smell bad, and it just matches our hair, if you get what I'm trying to say. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for rocking out with me in this video. Don't forget to give me a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all, and see you in my next one.